Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new to my channel, hi, my name is Malika and this is where I share my love for beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if this is what you are interested in, then please consider subscribe to my channel. So today's video, I want to share with you guys my thought on the brand new Cosmetic Magic Hour collection. So if this is what you are interested in, then please keep on watching. So I got my hand on the 3 new products from the Magic Hour collection, and there are some other products from this collection in general, but I do own that previously. So these 3 products right here was bundled for $75. If you buy them individually, then it's come up to $94, I believe. So looks like the eyeshadow palette itself is sold out on their website, along with the bundle that I got. The only bundle that is available for this collection is the Magic Hour Lip and Cheek Essential, which includes the cheek color, the lip cushion, and the 2 lip gloss and the lip cloud in the color Magic Hour, which I have already, and I can show you guys that too while we at it. So in terms of the Magic Hour collection, there are 5 products total. So 1 lip cloud, 1 lip gloss, 1 lip cushion, 1 eyeshadow palette, and this one right here, the brand new Heaven Glow, like a blush highlight hybrid product. So those are the 5 products from the whole collection itself. So the 2 lip colors are something that she had already came out with. So these are the 3 main products that we're going to talk about today. Let me go ahead and show you guys the swatches of the eyeshadows itself first, and then also the swatches under a natural daylight during the Magic Hour, which is around 5 or 6 o'clock. We still have some daylight left, so I pre-shoot that part. And also I'll show you guys a little bit of B-roll of these products unswatched, because you know we can all appreciate the beauty of these products unswatched. At least for me, I love seeing those video or the products, the picture of the products that's not swatched yet. So let's go ahead and do that first. Let's go ahead and talk about the palette first. So the palette is retail for $38 on her website, and it's currently out of stock, so hopefully she'll stock this soon. So here's what the outside packaging looks like, and can we just appreciate how beautiful this is? I really enjoy the product packaging in general. It's just very aesthetically pleasing, and you know what? It reminds me of something from Sailor Moon, and because of that, I decided to wear my Sailor Moon t-shirt. So that's just something there. So I just love the packaging. I don't know. And the fact that this is like the size of my palm. So this is a very travel friendly palette. Now this palette right here is formulated in, or it is made in Italy. It's good for 18 months. And it has a range of harmonious shades of warm browns and peachy pinks with mattes and shimmer finish. Formulated with velvet pigments to mix, layer, and blend seamlessly for beautiful and long-lasting color payoff. This palette will be your new modern essential. That's what it say in here. So here's what the inside looks like, and we have a nice size mirror right here, which is travel friendly. And there's 3 beautiful matte shades right here, and then 3 shimmery shades right here. And I literally use all the 3 matte shades and 2 of the shimmer shade. The only shade that I didn't use is this one right here for this look at least, but I did use this in my other look. I've had used this palette maybe 4 or 5 times already, And surprisingly, this is a lot for a new palette that I just got my hands on. Normally I use it once or two times or three times before I do a review, because by that time you already know how the shadows itself is performing. So I've had used this a lot because I really like that. Now for the matte shades, I do think they kind of oxidize, so it looks really light on the pants itself, but once you apply it on the eyelids, and especially when you saw me swatch them, they kind of oxidize and they become a little bit darker. As you can see, this first shade right here is the Sunset. I use that as my crease color. It's barely show up on the pants, but like it looks really pale pink. But when I do it on my crease, it looks more like peachy pink. And then this look deeper pink, like almost a mauvey pink on the eyelids itself, but looks like really just a deeper pink, a little bit deeper than this on the pants, but it looks a lot deeper, darker on the eyelids. And then the brown itself, you see how like dark it gets when I swatch it on my arms. I actually didn't use this brown today. I totally forgot, because I did use this brown before that to smoke out my outer V when I want to do a little bit of a darker look. I went for a lighter color look today, so I didn't use the dark brown, but I know that this one is a little bit darker. And the shimmery shade, they are beautiful. There's zero fallout. I don't see any fallout at all. They apply beautifully with a brush. Also, if you want like maximum impacts, go ahead with your finger, just dip that in and then just apply that directly to your eyes, and that's like, it's beautiful. And I love this color right here. Like, this is a beautiful highlighting shade. That is so pretty. I don't know. All of this shade just so freaking beautiful. They just look like you can use this as a highlight also. I've not tried this as a cheek highlight, but I use this as an under eyebrow highlights and then a little bit on my nose. You know what? Let's put a little bit because I didn't have a nose highlight right now, so. But yeah, the palette itself is super pretty and I really like that. Now in terms of the price itself, I do think that this might be a little bit on the pricier side, considering you only get 6 shades for $38. Now if you get Urban Decay, which is, let's say, just one of the palettes at least, I believe this is $49, and here you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12. So for a naked palette right here, you get 12 shades for $49. So you do the math. This one right here is quite pricey for the price itself, but the shadow itself is pretty good. I mean, obviously, if you are paying for the packaging and the brands and supporting Michelle Phan, that shouldn't be a problem right there. But I do want to mention that it's quite pricey for this price for the palette itself, but definitely travel friendly. So if you get a lot more use out of this, just because the fact that it is smaller and more compact, very easy to travel with, then maybe you'll get your price worth. We have the Heaven's Glow. This retail for $34. It's come in this circle compact right here, and it also formulated in Italy and also has a shelf life of 18 months. This is supposed to be a peachy pink powder, imparts radiance and luminosity for the multi-dimensional and seamless color. So when you open it up, there's another nice size mirror, great for travel. And then we got the products right here. This is like a baked blush. I want to say it. I mean, it is a baked formula, and like I said, I would describe this as a glowy blush. So in the pants itself, it looks rather pale, and it looks like something that will never ever show up on my skin tone, but it definitely has some color to it. And like the eyeshadow palettes itself, I do think that these are oxidized or saturated upon skin contact, so it show up pinkier, and it has beautiful like a beautiful sheen to it, you know. I don't know, it's hard to explain, but As you can see, that's what it looks like on my cheek. I did have bronzer right down here, but right here, these are the blush shade right here. So that's what it looks like on my skin. Let me show you guys on the swatch. So I'm gonna just swatch it right here. It's super nice and smooth, and it really reminds me of the, what's it called, Milani Luminoso. This is what it looks like. It looks like that's a little bit peachier, but let's swatch it. Milani is a little bit peachier. Yeah, Milani is a little bit glowier, but definitely more peach in Milani. And this one has more pink. Now that you've seen it, you see how it's swatched next to each other. This one definitely has more pink. This is more peach. But this is really deceiving in the pants itself. Like I said, it looks more oxidized, more pink on the cheek. Now, is this product right here going to look flattering on every skin tone? I don't know. It's hard because I feel like it might look a little bit ashy on a deeper complexion or deeper skin tone. I mean, it looks great on my skin. It looks like I have a nice, like a nice glow, a nice blush glow. But if you are deeper complexion, I'm very curious to see what you think of this product. So if you pick that up, and if you are darker than me, maybe tan or deeper skin tone, let me know what you think about this blush right here and whether or not you like it or not. So for $34, you get a hefty amount of products in here, but I still do think that it is a little bit pricey also. That's just $4 less than the eyeshadow palettes, and then here you get 6 beautiful colors, and here you only get 1 color. So definitely pricey. The next products right here is the Doodoo Lip Cushion, and this is retail for $22. Oh, I almost poked my eyes out. And this is the only product that I noticed is made in Japan. Yeah, it is made in Japan, and it's only good for 12 months, but you really don't need the shelf life of 12 months considering how small, how tiny this is. I mean, this is the products right here, and $22 is quite pricey for this. I'm not going to deny that. I feel like this is like something that I'm going to use up in maybe a month or even less if I'm using it every day. It does feel really nice on the lip, but is this anything special? I don't know. I can't say it's like life-changing lip product to me personally, at least. I do like the color. It looks really nice on my lips right now. It looks very nice and juicy, and it looks super healthy. And she said that this product right here is supposed to be a lip sleeping pack, but has a tint to it, so it's like something that you can wear during daytime, and it's a lighter formula compared to a lip sleeping pack, because you know, when you think of lip sleeping mask is something that's a little bit thicker and you use overnight to really helps moisturize your lips, but this is something of a lighter formula. It definitely keep my lips moisturized. But is there any life-changing, is there any different between this and my favorite lip balms, which cost much less than this? I don't think so. So this is probably the one product that I say you could probably skip if you don't have the money. But yeah, those are the 3 products from the main collection itself. And while we at it, I'll show you guys the swatches of this, because I don't think I ever show you guys the swatches of this before. So this is the lip cloud. So let's swatch the lip cloud right here. So it's the Magic Hour lip cloud. And I love Michelle Phan Lip Cloud formula, by the way. It's really nice and moussey. And this is the Magic Hour lip gloss. Let me make sure that I got that right. Yeah. So the lip clouds is a little bit like peachy pink. And this is more on the peachier side, the lip gloss. I do like the lip cloud on my lips better than the lip gloss color, because the lip gloss is a little bit too peachy, too pale. To me, it makes me look a little bit washed out. Yeah, those are all the products from this whole collection itself. And Overall, I do really enjoy these products, but I do have to say that they are a little bit on the pricier side. So if this is something that you can put your money towards, you know, if you have money to spare and you want to support Michelle Phan, go for it. And if I have to recommend one product for you to pick up from the whole collection, it's probably the eyeshadow, but unfortunately it is sold out right now, so hopefully she'll restock this soon. But you probably could skip on a lip cushion and the blush if you don't have the budget for it. But if you can get it in the bundle, you save what, like almost $20, $19, so you're saving money right there if you can get that. But if not, just try the eyeshadow palette to see how it is. But overall, I do enjoy this whole collection, and this is something that I can see myself using every day because it's so wearable. This is super neutral. So yeah, that's all my thoughts on this whole collection itself. So if you picked up this same collection, I'm curious to hear what you have to say about this collection, especially for those with a deeper skin tone. I want to know how the blush show up on your complexion, so leave some comment down below. But yeah, that is all I have to say about this. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel of course, and follow me on Instagram. It's simply Savan, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.
This world can be so